Ako po si Martin Esculin from Green Country Game Farm. Naging seryoso kami sa breeding around late 90s. We got the sweaters and the Boston Roundheads. Before that, so many trials. Dami namin pinurchase ng mga imported trios from the US. Yung standard ng pili ko, hindi ko siya makita doon sa mga imported. So that's why we got the Boston from Lancy and the sweaters around 2003. Ginagawa namin yung Boston, ginocross namin sa iba, then hindi ganun kaganda lumalabas. Hanggang dumating yung sweaters na they really good looking roosters. Very good na lumabas ng resulta. Guwapo, magaling. We tried 3/4 on the sweater side and also 3/4 on the Boston side. Then doon namin nakita yung difference. Pag heavy sa sweater is for stag. Then pag heavy naman sa Boston, for cocks naman. The difference between the sweater and the Boston, the sweaters are early maturing. Not like the Bostons, so late maturing sila. So lumalabas ang galing ng Boston at the later part. Ito is the old line Dinkfair sweaters. Ang pagkakabreed ko naman dito, ayoko silang matangkad. The original sweaters, hindi sila mahaba ang leeg, hindi matatangkad. Bago sumikat ang sweater, ganun ang itsura nila. That's why maintain ko yun. At the same time, hindi ko rin sila pinatangkad. Kasi baka pag kinross ko sa Boston, may tendency maging oversize. Dapat alamin natin yung karakter ng mga bloodlines natin. No? Like itong Boston, hindi ko problema ang tangkad dito. When they are cross, nagiging vigor sila, so they get a little bit big and tall. Dapat yung partner nila na i-cross mo, maintain lang yung laki. May mga sinusubukan ako experiment, all single mating, but ito yung nagustuhan ko, the year 2005 below na mga sweaters, yun ang tingin kong na-perfectly dink na mga lines. Before when we tried crossing the sweater and the Boston, nakita namin yung potential. They were complete fighters. They break high, then they shuffle lots of feet on the ground. So yung fighting style nila is for slasher talaga. Most of my brood cocks are not winners. Ang pagkakabreed ko nito is pedigree types. That's why I maintain properly the bloodline because yung style ng breeding ko is a pedigree type. Through the years of breeding, ganun pa rin ang style nila. Hindi na babago. Hindi ko sila binibreed ng back to father, back to mother, brother, sister. Always cousins or uncle, auntie, maraming magandang lumalabas. We have the regular gray and the Gilmore hatches. Ang Gilmores, kinocross din namin sa Boston, kinocross din namin sa sweater. Bali, it's a three-way cross. Meron silang kakaibang style na maganda sila lumalabas. Talagang yung fighting style nila pwede kahit saan. Every season, I produce about around 4,500 chicks to 5,000. All the three-way crosses na mga babae, kinakal namin yon at age of 1 month. Strict culling. In terms of selection, pag may dinedevelop ka isang bloodline, walang sayang. Kasi mas sayang kung i-continue mo na meron kang ayaw dun sa manok. All the way, BMEG ang ginagamit ko. Ginagamit ko sa kanila from day 1 hanggang conditioning, hanggang breeding, straight BMEG. Ako po si Martin Esculin ng Team BMEG Integra Power Max. Kakampi mo sa panalo. Sabong Pilipinas, gising na!